Hi everyone, welcome back to the series of how to use programming in automation. So this is the continuation of previous video, that is arithmetic operators. I hope you watched it. Okay, let us continue with this one. So in the previous video we have added two products to the cart. So now in this video what we need to do is we need to fetch this variable, this element, and keep it in some variable, and we need to remove this extra characters. Okay, so same thing with the quantity and total. Okay, so let us inspect price. Okay, so the class is cart price is the class, and p. Okay, so let us take this and keep it in some variable. Okay, await page dot locator. This is the locator, and we want the inner text. So dot inner text. Sorry, inner text. So what I did, I just fetched the price text. So here I just fetched the price text. I will do console.log and I will show you. Okay, here let me keep this in some variable, const price text. Oh, sorry. Save, let us execute. I'm going really slow intentionally because I want you to understand each and every step, not only the operators, not only the programming concept, also Playwright. Hey, I'm so sorry. Which one did I execute? Sorry. Oh, sorry, I executed data type. Sorry. Let's say operators. Okay. Okay. So here we are clicking on products link and we are adding the product. As you can see here, it added two products and clicked on view cut. Okay, now we are in this page and we just fetched this text, price text. Okay, we can see that the value is rupees 500, correct? So now what we want to do, we want only 500 because we want to perform multiplication operation on this number. Okay, so we need to remove this rupees dot and space. Okay, for that we will use regular expressions. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to extract number from text. Okay okay so we will keep that in price variable is equal to, first, as I said, as we can see, this is a string and we need to convert this into number. So how to do, we have seen in the previous video, we have to use parseInt and pass the variable. So what is the variable? Variable is price text, because in this we want to remove the string. Dot replace. Okay, so what we want to replace, we want to replace, so whatever is not number, that we want to replace it with empty string. Okay, so here this will get replaced with empty string. For that I'm using regular expression. Okay, so how to use double slash and inside double slash use square bracket. Okay, then inside square bracket I will use this symbol. Okay, this is with 6. If you press shift and 6 you will get this symbol. This is nothing but not. Just remember this symbol represents not. Okay, so why I'm using this is, so whatever is not number, remove that. Okay, so for number here we will use slash d means digit. Okay, so whatever is not digit I want to remove it. Okay, and I want to do this globally. Slash g, we have to use slash g. Okay, and I want to replace it with empty string. Okay, just put single quote, two single quotes. Okay, so here we should use this single quote after g. Okay, it should be inside replace, comma, single quote. Okay, I'll remove this double single quotes from here. Okay, okay, so I'll repeat once again. So here I'm replacing this text, whatever is not number I'm replacing. This is the whole text, this price text is the whole text, rupees dot 500, and I want to keep only 500 and remove rupees dot that space. So replace it with empty string. So here g means global, global means, so whatever the character it has, remove everything. Okay, not only rs or not only dot, I'm not saying which one to remove, I'm saying globally remove it. Okay, okay, so now let us print this and see price. I'll make a separate video to explain regular expression. This is very important. Okay, for now just understand this much. Okay, that not operator. Okay, so whatever is not a number, it is remove, it will remove that. Okay, so now we got only 500. Okay, good. So now let us inspect this quantity. Okay, and we will convert this string into number. Okay, so here we have class quantity. Okay, let us take this const. I'll create a variable quantity text is equal to await page dot locator, page dot, sorry, page dot locator, locator is this cart quantity dot inner text. So inner text means it will get me the visible text of that. Okay, so let us print dot quant, sorry, console dot log. So I want to print quantity text. Okay, so it will be in string format. Now I want to convert this into number. Okay, so and keep it in quality variable, sorry, quantity. Quantity is equal to parseInt quantity text. Okay, so now let us print this, and we will take total price. Okay, so we'll say the quantity is Okay. Okay. So before executing, we will fetch total also. Okay. And we'll perform same thing because this is also having rupees dot and space. Okay. So it has class card total price. Okay. Let us take this const total text is equal to await page dot locator dot inner text. We will print that total text, and we need to convert this into string, correct? Sorry, this total text is a string and we need to convert this into number, so we'll follow this step. Const total is equal to parseInt. ParseInt, what is the variable? Total text. ParseInt total text dot, we need to use replace. So what we want to replace? We want to replace that rupees dot into empty string. So replace, use regular expression. So double slash, and inside double slash two square brackets, and inside square bracket I'm using this not symbol, and I'm saying whatever is not number, so slash d means digit, so whatever is not number, so replace it with g, comma, empty string. Okay, so now let us print this. Console.log total price is total. Save. Let us execute. Then we will do validation. Okay. So what validation we need to do? Before that, we need to multiply price into quantity, and we will keep that in some variable. Then we will do assertion. Okay. Okay. So here we can see that, so 2 is the number quantity, and here it was rupees 1000. This is total, and it removed the extra space. So now here the quantity is, sorry, the total price is 1000. Okay. Okay, so now let us do multiplication. Okay, so const, we will say total price text, or no, not the price text. So let us say total price, not total price. So here in this total, we are having the total. So we'll say expected total. Expected total is equal to, so price into quantity. Okay, so this you should remember or focus on this. Okay, so here the price is a variable and quantity is in some variable, and here I'm performing multiplication operation on these two variables. Okay, these two variables I fetched it from application. Okay, so the value can be anything. Okay. Okay, so now we can print expected total. So now let us do the assertion. Okay, so how to do the assertion? Expect. So what I'm expecting? I'm expecting expected total to be total. Here we can say instead of total, we can say total price also. Okay. Okay. And we will give some wait, or let's not give, let us execute. Okay. And if you think you're learning something from this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. And if you're stuck at any step, please do comment. Okay, so one test is passed. Okay, okay, and this is how we use operators in automation. Okay, okay, thank you so much for watching. So in the next video I will continue with other operators.